Is it time to buy or sell Tesla stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Tesla. Our initial report was published on our website on the 4th of November, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 24th of October, 2024, our system has classified Tesla as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.1. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has underperformed relative to our expectations, resulting in a decline of 6.77%. This equates to an average daily loss of 0.85% since it was categorized as hold or accumulate. The stock is positioned within a strong and rising trend in the short term, indicating that further increases are likely. The trend observed over the past 3 months suggests a potential change of approximately 20.79% in the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from 9.19% to 36.09%. Looking at the trend over the past 12 months, it indicates a potential change of about 5.39% in the upcoming year, with possible returns varying from negative 35.09% to positive 16.97%. This implies a projected price range between $157.62 and $284.6 by this time next year. Our latest daily update for Tesla includes the headline, Evaluation of Tesla stock downgraded after the last trading session. The Tesla stock price declined by 2.47% on the last day, which was Monday, the 4th of November, 2024, dropping from $248.98 to $242.84. This marks the 6th consecutive day of decline. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 4.19%, ranging from a low of $238.88 to a high of $248.90. The price has decreased in 8 of the last 10 days, but remains up by 10.96% over the past 2 weeks. The trading volume increased on the last day by 12 million shares, although this occurred alongside falling prices. This could signal an early warning, suggesting a slightly increased risk over the next couple of days. In total, 67 million shares were exchanged, amounting to approximately $16.28 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $273.54, while the lowest price was $138.80. Currently, the price is 11.22%, or $30.70, below the 52-week high, and 73.03%, or $657.56, below the all-time high, which occurred on January 25, 2021, when the price peaked at $900.40. Tesla's stock is encountering significant challenges as it navigates geopolitical risks associated with its considerable exposure in China. Strategy Risks has identified this as a potential vulnerability, particularly given the escalating tensions between the United States and China. Although CEO Elon Musk is not anticipated to serve as a useful idiot for China, fluctuations in political relations may foster a volatile environment for Tesla's operations and investor confidence, likely influencing the stock price both in the immediate future and over the long term. Furthermore, Tesla is currently on a losing streak, marking its 6th consecutive loss ahead of the crucial election day. Wall Street appears cautious, with many analysts holding back from making optimistic moves during this uncertain period. This market hesitance, along with ongoing investigations by the Pomerantz law firm into claims made on behalf of Tesla investors, could further dampen sentiment, impacting stock performance in the near term. On a more positive note, Momentum Stock Analysis has identified Tesla as a candidate for potential recovery, suggesting the possibility of a future rise in its stock price, especially if broader market conditions improve after the election. Nevertheless, investors must remain vigilant as the situation evolves, balancing optimism against the pressing risks Tesla faces in both its operational landscape and the surrounding geopolitical realities. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 29th of October, 2024, it was reported that Barclays assigned Tesla a grade of equal weight with a recommendation to hold. On Monday, the 28th of October, 2024, Wolfe Research reported giving Tesla a cautious grade along with a hold recommendation. On Thursday, the 24th of October, 2024, Morgan Stanley rated Tesla as overweight and suggested a hold action. On the same day, Oppenheimer also provided a perform grade for Tesla, recommending a hold. Additionally, on Thursday, the 24th of October, 2024, Deutsche Bank assigned Tesla a buy grade while advising a hold action. Analysts have assigned Tesla stock a general neutral rating. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio also as a strong sell. In terms of return on investment, analysts have provided the stock with a buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Tesla. The Tesla stock currently indicates a sell signal based on the short-term moving average. In contrast, there is a buy signal emerging from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average, this creates an overall buy signal for the stock, suggesting a positive outlook. Should the stock experience further gains, it is expected to encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at around $255.78. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find some support from the long-term average at approximately $241.67. A breakout above the short-term average would trigger a buy signal, while a drop below the long-term average would trigger a sell signal. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been noted, which could impact short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Friday, October 25, 2024, resulting in a decline of nearly 10%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Notably, volume increased alongside falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning. Thus, it is advisable to monitor the stock more closely. Here are some additional signals that may interest you. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 7 days ago. Bollinger Bands suggest a buy signal from 16 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 4 days ago. The long-term moving average points to a buy signal from 9 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages also suggests a buy signal from 6 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average shows a buy signal from 9 days ago. The long-term moving average confirms a buy signal from 9 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 97 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Tesla. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $230.17 and $217.80. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock may then fall to the next support level. In this case, Tesla finds support just below today's level at $230.17. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $217.80 and $210.73. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, exhibiting high volatility. With a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be high risk. In the last day, the stock moved $10.02 between its high and low, or 4.19%. Over the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 3.61%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Tesla, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A high PE ratio could mean that the stock is overvalued or that investors anticipate significant growth rates in the future. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is expected on the 22nd of January, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 740 cents. Keep an eye on these numbers as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Tesla. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Tesla is at 260.48. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who are already holding the stock, this could present an opportunity for swing trading. On the downside, Tesla faces its first support level at 230.17. If this support level holds, it may be an attractive entry point with the expectation of a rebound. The combined average rating for Tesla from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were carried out by Taneja Vaibhav, who bought and sold 28,000 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 15.76. In total, insiders purchased 756,613 shares and sold 1,093,215 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $231.33, representing a decline of 4.74%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a higher level of risk. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top identified 6 days ago. Is Tesla stock a good buy? Tesla presents several positive signals. However, these factors are still not sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate. At the current valuation, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, meaning you might consider holding or accumulating shares while waiting for further developments. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical indicators, we have adjusted our analysis for this stock since the last evaluation, changing our recommendation from a buy to a hold or accumulate position. After examining the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 5th of November, we anticipate Tesla will open slightly higher, around 70 cents, starting at a price of $243.54. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.